Hi, I didn't see you there. I was too busy pumping iron on these sterling athletic rubber tiles. Welcome to GreatMats.com, where you can expect great service. These sterling rubber interlocking tiles are 2 by 2 feet in size and come in a variety of color options. The interlocks are hidden underneath the tile, unlike puzzle-style edges, giving this tile a sharp and professional design. These tiles have a noise reduction rating of 28 decibels and can withstand repeated weight drops. Tiles can be installed both indoors and outdoors, including decks and patios, rooftops, weight rooms, and home gyms. In addition, these tiles are manufactured from recycled rubber tires. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new high-impact weight training floor. Could someone bring me my water, please?